If you are thinking about joining Infinity Processing System, in this video, I'm going to share with you the fastest way to start making money with IPS. So if you're not familiar with what Infinity Processing System is, it's actually a system that teaches people how to make money with affiliate marketing by posting ads on their social media. Now with this program, you actually earn 100% instant commissions. All right, so once you become a member, you get a chance to promote the actual system and earn 100% commissions. There is no, rankings or tiers and people underneath you or nothing like that. You earn 100% commissions. Now there are 3 different levels you can start at. There's a $50 starter package, there's a $150 elite package, and then there's the $300 pro package. For whatever level you come in at, that's the amount of commissions you can earn. Which means if you come in at the $50 starter level, you're going to get the $50 starter training package, right? So you actually get something. You're actually paying for something. Because a lot of people be like, well, what are you getting? You're getting actual online marketing training, all right? So if you come in at the starter level, it allows you to earn 100% $50 commission sent to your PayPal, Cash App, or your Stripe account. I think they take Venmo too. I'm not sure. But so if you come in at the $150 level, you will be able to earn $50 and $150 commissions. If you come in at the, like I said, pro level, all right, which is $300 one time, all right, one time, you get access to all of the training that Infinity Processing System offers, and you'll be able to earn commissions at the $50, $150, and $300 level. I personally came in at the pro $300 level, and that's what I'm doing, all right? But if you're into IPS, you want to get started, come in at whatever level you can, because you can always upgrade once you start earning some money, all right? Now that we got that out the way, let's get into the fastest way to start earning some 100% instant commissions with IPS. So whenever you get started as an IPS member, you're going to get some login information. All right, you're going to get access to your back office. This is where you get to access your training. All right, so once you receive that email with your information, you need to log in to your IPS account. So the first thing you need to do after this point is join the Facebook private coaching group. All right, this is very, very important, because this is where everybody at who's helping each other, who's making money with this system. This is where they all hang out at. And this, if you're serious, this is where you need to be. So once you join the Facebook group, the next thing you need to do is set some time aside whenever you can. Go through all of the training. All right, it's a lot, but it's something that you can do in the next day or two, right? Take the weekend, take a few hours and just go through the training. This is super important. Why? Because it actually is giving you training. It's giving you skills that you need to be successful as an affiliate marketer. And 2, it allows you to know what you're promoting. Because if you plan on making money by promoting the IPS system, you need to know all about what you're promoting, so you know what you're talking about, which makes it easier to promote, right? So you joined the private Facebook coaching group and you went through all the training. What do you need to do next? Very simple. You need to pick one of the marketing strategies that you just learned in the training and focus on that. So after going through this training, you're like, you know what? I really like the YouTube method. I like that, all right? So do what you need to do. If you already got a YouTube account, whatever, then start creating your videos. Start creating your content and start posting it. Now, the key is to be consistent, right? Be consistent. At least try to post whatever method you plan on using to promote this system. Try to at least be active on that 3 to 4 days out the week. So many people get involved with IPS because they're so excited about the opportunity and the money they can make. They pay their $50 or their $300. They get access to their training. They go over the training and then they don't do nothing, right? They don't do anything. Then they're like, yo, this ain't work. This ain't what I thought it was. Yeah, because you ain't do nothing, right? You have to take action. And the fastest way to start seeing success is by you taking action and being consistent. So whatever method you choose, make sure you implement it at least 3 to 4 times out the week. So pick the days that you know that you can post, and create content, and stick to it. Now, depending on your schedule, you might be like 3 to 4 times a week. Man, I could do it 5 to 6 days a week, or I could post every day. If you can, then do it. Like, don't, limit yourself by what I'm saying. If you can post every day, great. You know what I'm saying? But bare minimum, 3 to 4 days out the week, you need to be active, promoting, using the skills that you just learned, using them to start generating instant commissions. And one thing you need to understand about this opportunity is it's exactly what it is. It's an opportunity. It's a way to start generating an income online. So if you follow these simple steps, this will speed up the time it takes to earn your first commission and continue to earn money with this opportunity. But look, I'm gonna keep it real. It takes work. This is a real business opportunity. This is not a 9-to-5 job, right? This is one of them opportunities where if you put in the work, you stay consistent, you can make money. There are many people, including myself, who have made money from Infinity Processing System and that continue to make money with this opportunity. So it's up to you to decide if this is something that you want to do and something that you can really put some effort in. If so, then take action. So if you want to get started with IPS, all you need to do is click the link in the description, and I will see you on the team.